Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm gonna show you how to extend your Upstart loan payment due date. So, if you need extra time to make a payment, you may be able to request a due date extension. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, the first is to check if you qualify for an extension. So, Upstart does not offer guaranteed extensions, but you can request one if you're facing, temporary financial hardship, and your account must be in good standing, not past the due, in order to qualify for this. So, if you're qualified, here's how to request a payment extension. First, you got to contact Upstart's customer support via phone or email, and then just explain your situation and request an alternative payment arrangement. And if it's approved, your due date may be pushed back a few days or a couple of weeks. And alternative options, if an extension isn't approved, you can make a partial payment to reduce the late fees. You could also use Upstart automatic payment option to avoid future delays, and consider loan refinancing if long-term repayment issues persist. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.